If you're trying to figure out if the litter robot is actually worth the money, especially long term, this is probably one of the few reviews from someone who's had it for over 5 years. So I have two Sphinx cats and they go to the bathroom constantly. So this thing has been a lifesaver in my condo. And the biggest thing that people ask is reliability. And in my experience, yes, occasionally I'll have certain issues, and I'm gonna let you know what you can do to kind of fix that. So sometimes this will blink yellow, and for me, it's been my wastebasket. So you want to pull this out, and then you have the waste liner right here. You tuck in the bag like so in the corners, but you want to make sure this is down completely. This has been something that's tripped mine up, and once I figured it out, that was it, because I had my bags kind of up like this. No, push it down. Make sure that this gets secure. Push it in tight. Those are my main issues. And if you do have other issues, you can also call them and they can walk you step by step on what to do, which I thought was super, super helpful. So overall, as far as noise goes, you can definitely hear it cycle, but it's not nearly as loud as I expected before buying it. Mine runs in my living space and it's never bothered me. Sometimes it's also nice to know that my cats are going to the bathroom and I can kind of keep track of that, which you have the app as well. You can literally look up when you want to cycle it. So say your cat takes a poop, you're right next to it. It does automatically go, but if you want to do it like right now because it's stinky, just go to the app and press cycle now and it will get it done. So setup was also not nearly as intimidating as people make it sound. You basically just plug it in, connect the app, add the clumping litter, which I want to give a shout out. This is the only litter I use for my Sphinx. It is unscented, and yeah, this has been the best that I've had in here, so shout out to that. And the app is honestly one of my favorite parts because I can just monitor it, like I said. For the odor control, this is where I noticed the biggest difference compared to a normal litter box, because it automatically cycles after they use it, and the waste is not going to just sit there and stink. So this is perfect. For mine, I have two cats. I probably empty it once a week. So all you have to do is pull out the drawer and it will blink when it's time for you to change it, and then just grab the bag, replace it with a new one, put it back in. Simple as that. If you have multiple cats and you are tired of constantly scooping litter, you should definitely check this out and let me know what you think.